I remember the first time I made a $500 sale, and it took me 30 minutes.
As Tony Robbins once said, the secret to wealth is simple. Find a way to do more for others than anyone else does. Become more valuable. Do more, give more, be more, serve more. Watch video till end because after this video your perspective about money will completely change. Now imagine money as a river flowing abundantly towards you. Are you ready to align yourself with this infinite flow of wealth? Great! Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Cultivate a prosperity mindset. Believe that you are deserving of wealth and abundance. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Money is attracted to those who are ready it. So, my friend, if you're watching this, it's time to unlock the secrets to attracting money into your life. Start by examining your beliefs about money. Replace any negative thoughts with positive affirmations such as, I am worthy of financial abundance, or money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. Surround yourself with positive influences, read books on personal development, and listen to motivational audios or podcasts, and you can also subscribe to LuxePoint because this channel is designed to make you rich and turn your dreams into reality. Step 2. Visualize your financial goals. Take a moment each day to close your eyes and clearly imagine yourself living the life of your dreams. See the money flowing effortlessly into your life and feel the joy and gratitude as if it's already happened. Visualization is a powerful tool that aligns your subconscious mind with your desired financial outcomes. Create a vision board filled with images that represent your goals, whether it's a dream house, luxurious vacations, or financial freedom. Before going to third step, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, press the subscribe button and share it with others who may benefit from these techniques. Step 3. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the ultimate magnet for abundance. Every day, write down at least 3 things you're grateful for, specifically related to money or financial opportunities. But this practice of gratitude is very effective in every field of life, whether it is for sports or for couple goals. By focusing on what you already have and expressing gratitude for it, you open yourself up to receiving more. Acknowledge the money you currently have, regardless of the amount. Remember, what you appreciate, appreciates. Attracting money is not about being greedy or selfish. It's about creating freedom and opportunities for yourself and those you love. Step 4. Take inspired action. Opportunities won't just fall into your lap. Take inspired action towards your financial goals. Network, invest in yourself, and be open to new possibilities. Remember, action is the bridge between imagination and reality. Identify the steps you need to take to move closer to your financial goals. Step 5. Invest in your financial education. The more you know, the more you grow. Read books, attend seminars, and surround yourself with mentors who have achieved the financial success you desire. Means if you want to become footballer, then take the company of a football coach. Likewise, if you want to see you a businessman, then looking for a successful business or investor. Education is the key to unlocking your potential. Remember, learning is a lifelong process, and investing in your education will pay multiple in the long run. And there you have it, my friend. These powerful steps will help you attract money into your life by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. And if you want to know your value, then don't miss this video in any way, because this is the journey of egg.